What up, gang? Today we are here with one of my homies. He is building a 3G. He's putting a turbo and it's a 2.4 liter. And we just came here to his house and check out this project because he barely told me that he was doing this, and it's looking pretty sweet, bro. What's up?
Maybe.
Good. You didn't tell me about this. That's good, man.
Yeah, it's just a DSM turbo manifold turbo. It's a TD05 20G.
Mm-hmm.
Like facing it the wrong way, but it'll work the same way.
Yeah.
And just kind of piecing it all together.
It's good. Yeah, I've seen a lot of people put in either the Evo 8 setup or the 2G setup, the turbo kits and stuff like that, and yeah, it works.
You just gotta do the water lines, exhaust, intake, and a tune, and it's ready to go. And vacuum lines. Pace setter headers, actually called legal. Which is interesting. Actual Subaru STI 565cc injectors work with this car as well.
Yeah.
I got that, the Evo 8 fuel rail, fuel pressure regulator, Evo 8 ECU.
Okay. But still stock block, right?
Oh yeah.
And internals?
Stock.
You think it'll hold it?
Oh yeah. It'll hold it.
Yeah? Like how many PSIs? I heard that I think up to 10, like it'll be fine. Or
There's this
7 or 8, I should say.
This one guy, he doesn't have it anymore, but he holds the record for the stock block. And he uses a Precision SC61 turbo in a custom turbo kit, and he's pushed like some, I think 20 pounds or something.
20 pound? What?
Plus, like 380.
Damn. For a little 4-banger?
Yeah.
3G? That's not bad at all.
The blocks can take a beating. It's just the cylinder heads.
Just the heads?
Yeah.
Okay.
You do an Evo 8 cylinder head swap or a Kia G4JS.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So that's next, right? Or you're gonna keep this one, see how it holds, and then probably replace it, or?
Yeah. The next step is go for a while, save up, and get a whole nother block and build that, put an Evo 8 head on it.
Yeah.
Pretty much build that one like crazy. Car was in an accident, and
Damn, you're strong.
when you work at Amazon. Lifting 50-pound boxes all day.
Oh, you work at Amazon?
Amazon.
Oh, Amazon. Oh, damn.
Yeah, when I got into an accident, it broke the case.
Oh, shit.
This is the factory transmission. It was rebuilt when I first got this, and it probably has 15,000 miles on it.
Wait, like the manifold, the intake. So it fits right in there?
Yeah.
What?
It'll fit right on there. I already have the Evo 8 fuel rail and fuel pressure regulator. This
thing will be sick, man.
Yeah. But I'm not gonna run E85 until I put the Brembos on. The Evo 8 Brembos. Bolt right in.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Being that, put a stronger clutch for the E85, and then sell that one because I don't need another one.
Mm-hmm. Pretty good to see, and that somebody in California is doing this, because whenever I see it, it's either East Coast or somewhere else.
Yeah.
And if I ever like knew somebody that were doing this, by the time I had my 4-cylinder, I would fucking probably just do it.
Yeah.
As you can see, you can build your car, make it faster. All you need is just fucking, study the platform well, and work a little bit harder, I would say, right? Work a little bit harder, and you can have it like pretty much like an Evo, or close to it.
Just a little two-door Evo.
Two-door Evo with the 3G body style.
I wanted. it's something that can be done for especially what I'm going to do.
That's cool. Something different, you know, because everybody's doing LS swaps. Everybody's doing 4G 63
Yeah.
T on this one.
Or they're doing the 3.8 from the 4th gens, or they're supercharging
3.8 or Evo swap. Like this is something like out of the box, like different.
Yeah. The next one is gonna be.
It's gonna be good.
Even better.
That's good, man.
There's a lot of stuff that you can do with this.
The thing is that most people they like the bolt-on thing of the as part of building a car, like where there's parts to choose and then you can just bolt it on, take it to a tune, and bam, call it a day, you know. But with this, like you're really building something instead of just like a fucking Lego toy where you have all the pieces, you just put it together.
Yeah.
This is actually building something. So that's why when you told me, oh, I'm doing this, I was, oh, I gotta go see it, because I've seen a lot of people doing it on photos and videos, but never in person.
Yeah. So
I'm like, fuck it, I gotta go shoot this thing, so that at least people know that they can do this with their cars. You know.
I've been. It's Dylan Paul. Every other letter was capitalized. Start with the D.
Okay, I'll put it up on the screen, and then you can probably go check it out.
Yeah.
And subscribe and see how this thing is gonna get done, and then tune, and then probably race, right? Or you're gonna keep it in the garage?
No, this is my only car, and it will be daily driven.
Okay, cool. Hopefully, when you're finished, we can go to the drag strip.
Yeah, after I get a clutch on it at least. 'Cause it's still on factory clutch. I'm gonna.
You'll burn it like quick.
I don't know, I can hold 170, but I'm gonna test it and figure it out. Only one way to find out.
Yeah, one way to find out. Yeah, once you're done, we should probably go to the quarter mile and then race it. I no longer have a car to race, but the 4G. Because this thing, I mean, it's super low and can't raise that shit.
Yeah.
It jumps and bumps, and you feel every little thing on the road.
Yeah.
So I still got the 4G, and I'm planning on probably putting on a 100 shot nitros.
Yes.
That should give me at least another second less than.
Hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah, it's just.
Yeah, I made 14s on it last time I went.
On the 4G?
Yeah, 14s. So if I can make 13s, I'll be happy.
You know, when you and Felix were out at the drag strips.
Yeah.
When I was out there, we ran like 16s.
16s, yeah. You see? Yeah, that's what I've been telling people. Like, I don't know who said it, but they've been saying, oh, these guys went to the drag strip and they made 18s. So I'm like, 18s?
Yeah, I got video of that.
Yeah. So I'm like, no, we did 16s. I mean, that was our best. We might done like 17s the first runs.
Oh yeah.
But we did 16s, right? So there you go, guys. We made 16s on the 3G stock.
Yeah.
Because I don't know who said 18s, and it fucking went viral. Like, oh, these guys made 18s on their shitty car. I'm like, what? We got video. We made 16s.
Yeah.
16s. I see this thing running, and hopefully pretty soon.
Next week it'll have the tune.
Next week? Oh shit, that'll be good.
And then I'm gonna take it over to the exhaust shop, and it's gonna be full catless exhaust. Back.
Yeah.
No mufflers or resonators, nothing. Just full straight back.
It's pretty sweet, man. I'm still like, I don't know, like sometimes I feel like I see more and more people doing things with these cars.
Yeah.
Like than ever before. Like you just said, like when they just came out, nobody cared about this car. But then like people like you, where they started like studying the platform and actually doing something.
Ever since I've had this car, I've always dreamed of putting a turbo on it or doing something really cool with it. And parts match up to this car really
Yeah, I've
A
heard.
lot more Evo parts that will match up to it.
Yeah, so
Like the
yeah.
Brembos, like the shifter linkage. All that is all
Same as Evo?
same as the Evo.
Ha! Good thing to know.
The turbo manifold and everything, same as the Evo.
Shit.
The oil pan is the same. The cylinder head just goes right on.
Yeah.
I think he is a 4G64 head gasket, and it goes right on. He's a factory Evo timing belt, and it goes on. I have an Evo 8 manifolds, intake manifold sitting in the back. That just bolts right on.
It's pretty nice, bro. I really like this project. Like,
Yeah.
I wish I had a 4-cylinder because now, like, for example, you could probably guide me through
Oh yeah.
and
for
get
sure.
it done, like soon, like real
But
quick.
Once I figured out what I was gonna do, I was like, okay, I need to buy this part, this part, this part. By the time I actually started this project, and to now, it's only been a month.
Damn, a month?
A month. Less
Damn.
than that, actually.
That was quick.
And then it's
already there. Just need a tune and
just
little
need
things here and there.
tune, exhaust, and intake, and water lines to be finished up.
Yeah, sick. Of course, we're gonna take it to quarter mile because we gotta see this thing running and
Oh,
see
yeah.
what it does. All right, man. Appreciate your time. I'll shout out your channel, so make sure you follow him. He's doing something cool, something different, something unique. Because I mean, all the other swaps, they already been done.
Yeah.
Many people have done it, and you can pretty much, if you have the money, you can do it. But
Yeah.
this is unique. Yeah.